This is my tornado shelter in my Florida room. This is my emergency box. I have a little portable fan, first aid kit, some extra batteries, some wipes, a whistle, some breakfast bars. Just in case we're down there for, you know, a little bit of time. I'll also have my water down there. So what you do is put this back. And then we're going to lift up the door. Okay, that's the first door. Steel mesh lining, heavy duty bolts. And there is the inside of the tornado shelter. It's got a little bench in there. There's a clock and a crank lantern. I personalized it a little bit with a fake window with a beach scene. We have a grab rail, customized steps. As you can see, the steel mesh liner. We have heavy duty 3-inch bolts that go into the concrete. It's big enough to seat 2 comfortably and maybe 3 or 4 in an emergency. And like I say, this is out in my Florida room. So all I have to do is step outside my patio door in the living room there. I come out here and my husband and I and my dog are able to just go down the steps, close up the doors, and we'll be protected from high winds, tornadoes, and we'll have safety in seconds. Thank you.